melody serves as the voice in a piece of music and carries the tune. Melody is the most easily recognizable portion of a piece of music. It is the tune you hear and remember. Melody in music captures listeners' attention. It's often considered the most memorable part of song, the part that sticks in your head. It's a collection of musical tones that are grouped together as a single entity. Melody in music can be described as pop, sweet, soft, traditional, and lyrical. Yung melody ay nag-serve as voice sa isang music na kung saan siya ang nagdadala sa tono ng isang kanta. And the next one is
the role of melody in music. Melody plays a crucial role in expressing and evoking emotion in music. The pitch, rhythm, and dynamics of melody can all contribute to the emotional tone of piece. So, melody is essential for expressing and evoking emotion in music, as it directly influences how listeners feel. Sa pitches ko, yung higher pitches, it often evokes the feeling of happiness or excitement, while the lower pitches, it evokes the sadness or seriousness. Sa rhythm naman po, yung yung upbeat rhythm can convey joy or energy, while the slow rhythm can evoke the calmness and sorrow. So sa dynamics naman po, softer dynamics can create a sense of intimacy or vulnerability, while louder dynamics can express strength or urgency. Together, these elements combine to enhance the emotional depth of a piece, allowing listeners to connect with the music on a personal level. Melody is what makes a piece of music catchy and engaging.
For that, I am Margie Bigamayaw, so I am discussing the key components, the pitch, duration, volume, and timbre. So the first one is pitch. Pitch refers to the highness or lowness of a note. So all sounds are caused by vibration, and when those vibrations occur at fairly consistent frequency, we perceive them as a musical tone. So lahat ba ng naririnig natin is music? Yes? Yes, it's a no. So, hindi lahat ng naririnig natin sa kapaligiran natin is music. So, sound which don't have a precise musical tone to them are referred to as a having indefinite pitch. So, yung ibang hindi magandang pakinggan sa tenga is tinatawag natin siyang noise. So, that is pitch. So, for example, unpitched sound usually have some degree of pitch to them. So, meron akong ipapakita picture. So, alam niyo ba kung anong tawag dito sa picture na to? Snare drum. So, snare drum, high pitch ba siya o low pitch? Who says high? Who says low? So, snare drum has a high pitch. So how about this? Ano tawag dito? Bass drum. So, ano siya? High or low? Low? Yes. Low siya. Low pitch siya. Another example is so how about this? Anong tawag sa kanya? Ilang beats yung half note? 2. How about the whole note? So, which note has a longer duration? Sa tingin nyo, half note or whole note? Of course, the whole note. Mas mahaba yung duration niya. Pwede gawin natin yung half note. 1, 2, 1, 2. So, very short, diba siya? How about the whole note? O, diba? Mas mahaba yung duration niya. How about the
Opo, ito si Joseph
quarter note
nagbibigay.
and the half note? Ano mas mahaba sa kanila? The quarter note o the half note? Half note? Yes, right.
Yes.
Next is the volume. Volume, also known as dynamics, which refers to how loud or soft the notes are played. So volume can be controlled by audio equipment or depende sa nagsasalita. For example, is the speaker. Ako yung nagko-control sa volume ng boses ko kung tataasan ko ba or bababaan ko. And another example here is the software. For example, di ba nag-play tayo ng music sa speaker, di ba? Kukontrolin natin siya kung papalaksan ba natin or papahinaan yung music. So that is the example of volume. So the next one is number. So, na-discuss na rin naman ito ni Jenny din kanina ng mas malawak. And ulitin ko siya. The notes are the same, but the sounds are different. So that is the number. So meron lang ako paparinig sa inyo na example ng number.
Distorted. Smooth. Heavy. Sharp. Wobbly.
So ano napansin niyo dun sa mga sounds na rin? So, yung sound na yun is iisa lang yung pinaka-tono niya, pero iba-iba yung kung paano nila i-add yung sounds. Diba merong soft, merong heavy. So yun, iisa lang, pero they have their different quality of sound. So that is the timbre. So the next one is types of
Good morning to everyone. We are now discussing about the melody in music and the key components of music. Now, let's talk about the types of melody. So, hindi ko magana yung TV natin, isusulat ko na lang. So, types of melody is conjunct. Conjunct and disjunct. Tapos, pentatonic and chromatic. So yeah, so we are there are 4 types of melody: conjunct, disjunct, pentatonic, and chromatic. So i-discuss ko yung dalawa. So yung conjunct melody is one where the notes are close together on the scale, often moving stepwise from one to another. This creates a smooth flowing sound. So ibig sabihin, yung conjunct is
makikita natin, at dito kasi yung example, sa pagsulat ng notes, yung conjunct is, mapapansin natin yung note is, tuloy-tuloy, kumbaga, siya, smooth. Yung disjunct naman is disconnected, kumbaga, every note is may mga space or disconnected. An example of conjunct is O. So, kung papansin natin, yung sound is smooth flowing sound. While the disjunct naman is may gap or disconnected. So, nakikita niyo ba yung differences? Sa conjunct is smoothly flowing, while the disjunct naman is disconnected or disjoint sound. And let's go to the
Diatonic and chromatic. So, first is the diatonic, or the basic scale or the natural scale. The term diatonic refers to the diotic genus, one of the three genera of Asian Greek. Diatonic scale melodies are often used in a popular music like the folk song or the classic music. They are easy to learn and they can be used to create a variety of music styles.
Sabi niya,
It is scale based on the fundamental system of use of cellular music during Renaissance. So, yung diatonic is scales ay binubuo ng 7 notes. And yung 7 notes, for example, C major, C, E, E, F, G, A, B. So yung diatonic ay mayroong 7 note na may 5 full step and 2 half step. So yung 5 full step ay yung, for example, is C, D, C, D, 1, and then makulit rin yung D, D, E, 2, so,
Kaya ka na-try mo na yun. Na-try mo. Yung sinasa ko sa yung video.
so ito yung limang full step. And then meron pong dalawang half step. Ito yung F, G, and then yung B and C. So the 7 names of the diatonic notes are the first is the tonic, second is supertonic, 3 is median, 4 is subdominant, and the 4 is submedian, and the last is the tone. So ito yung sample na diatonic. Mamaya kapaliwanag ko paano sulat sa akin. meron siyang yung whole note niya, then may papasok na half note. Dalawang sunod, tapos may papasok na parang mahina. So yun yung eutonic. So next is the chromatic. So yung chromatic naman is for the 12 scale, it's set of 12 pitches. A chromatic note is a note that does not belong to the scale in which a melody or harmony is written. Certain chromatic symbols such as the sharp, and the flat, or yung natural, yung kanyari C, yung natural. Ito yung sharp, flat, and then yung natural. Cues to allow the identify accidental or a mentioned earlier, the pitches that are not found in the key which the melody written. The chromatic is a musical scale consisting of 12 pitches within a steps, each separated by semistone half step. It is essential in Western music theory as it forms the foundation of consisting in harmony. So yung chromatic naman meron siyang 12 notes. For example is hindi ko na sulat kasi medyo mahaba. So C sharp, tapos D flat, D sharp, E flat, F sharp, G flat, G sharp, A flat, A sharp, B flat, and D. So ito example ng chromatic. Tuloy-tuloy, kumbaga magkaparehas yung notes niya. So, yung nagpapaliwanag ko yung difference ng eutonic tapos ng chromatic.
Bakit anim?
So yan, so yung eutonic, laging tandaan, comes sa first word niya na different. So kunyari, dito sa every good boy does fine is D. Dito yung isang tone. Tapos, dito yung pangalawa. So ito yung example na eutonic. And then the chromatic is same. Ibig sabihin, magkaparehas. So for example, ito yung magkaparehas na dito. Then yung sa may pakita nila, kaya mayroon dito may tinutugtong yung chromatic na mga sharp. Ito yung sa may pakita kasi mayroon paliwanag sa piano. Afford ko lang sa piano tayo sa So yung chromatic, same siya, pero dinadagdagan ng symbol na kagaya ng sharp or D. So yan. Ang difference nila, yung eutonic meron siyang 7 notes na may 5 whole steps and 2 half steps. And then yung chromatic naman, same. And dinadagdagan lang siya kapag sa may dadagdagan lang siya ng word. Patuloy siya, narinig yun sa may music. Ano siya tuloy-tuloy, parang tuloy-tuloy na atos. Nag-iiba lang dahil meron siyang sharp. Ito yung ano, di ba? Ito yung piano, yung may gano'n. So ito yung sa may sharp. Kumbaga siya yung nag-iiba ng tone.
Classical example, ito yung first one is Symphony number 5 by Ludwig van Beethoven. Ito siya.
Wala. Miles.
So, sa modern popular music example naman po, yung una example is the Firework by Capital.
Very.
Last letter po yung isa, Toxic by Britney Spears.
Melody.